Okay, I'm back. Time to check out the butcher shop. Then, at some point, all of these will come out. That's gonna be fun. Okay, last one, the butcher shop. There's still so much to explore in the street. Yo. Oh. I want to eat this. I'm gonna eat these little pieces. You can actually eat. I haven't eaten it forever. Yeah. Okay. Yo, what do you want? Why'd you just hit me with that? And then eat it. I don't know what I did, honestly. Can I wake up? Okay, I don't like you. You're abusive. Ooh. I'm pretty sure I know what that is. I hope. Okay, I can put an egg in my mouth. That's good. Oh God. Okay, I don't think that's what's supposed to happen. Ew, you ugly, bruv. Fat bowl. What are you smiling at me for? Oh God, my hand got stuck again. Puzzle piece. Oh my God, where? What the fuck? How did he fix that? Okay. Safe. Okay. Okay. Oh. Don't know what the password is. Oh, what is that, brother? This guy's disgusting. Okay. Oh. Found a bit for butcher shop. I guess. We'll see. Okay, bye.